Portable Bluetooth speakers are excellent devices for listening to your favorite jams on the go. Finding the perfect fit for your needs can be quite a challenge, however, as there are tons of competing models on the market today. What's more, the specs don't always tell the whole story. To enable you to make a wise purchase decision, we've reviewed a lot of portable Bluetooth speaker options that makes them great. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below. 5. We have the Tribit Max Sound Plus Bluetooth speaker. This device offers excellent performance, design, and features at a very affordable price. It delivers impressive sound quality with a decent amount of bass. It's also very portable, coming in at just 1.3 pounds, 595 grams, and has a nice, appealing design. The Tribit Max Sound Plus boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating and can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. The speaker is also pretty durable. It delivers a well-balanced sound and does great with different genres of music, including pop, rock, and hip-hop. Battery life on the Tribit Max Sound Plus is great. It can last for up to 20 hours at moderate levels of volume. The device takes about 4 hours to fully top up over the micro USB port provided. It also has an audio input jack to enable you to connect your non-Bluetooth devices. The Tribit Max Sound Plus is a remarkable Bluetooth speaker for its size and, more importantly, its price. It's well designed, waterproof, durable, and delivers great sound. If you're looking to get a solid Bluetooth speaker without spending a ton, the Tribit Max Sound Plus is definitely a great option to consider. Next up, we have the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2, one of the best value Bluetooth speakers you'll find today. This upgrade to the original Wonderboom speaker features a lot of improvements that make it even better. One of such new features is the Outdoor Boost feature, which provides louder, richer sound for outdoor listening. When it comes to design, the Wonderboom 2 looks quite nice. The buttons for playback, power, and pairing are all located atop the device, while the Outdoor Boost button can be found on the bottom. On the front side of the speaker, you'll find the large volume buttons, while the back holds a plastic door that hides the micro USB charging port. Performance-wise, the Wonderboom 2 speakers sound great. It sounds even better with Outdoor Boost enabled. There's some distortion if you turn the volume all the way up, but it sounds fine if you keep it below 80%. The Wonderboom 2 also offers a good amount of bass. You also get 360-degree sound, thanks to its wraparound grille design. The Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2 is IP67 dustproof and waterproof rated, making it ideal for use at the beach or at the pool. Durability is also great. The Wonderboom 2 can take a drop from up to 5 feet without any issues. The Wonderboom 2 can last for up to 13 hours when playing on medium to low volume levels. However, if you turn Outdoor Boost on, expect to get much less battery life from this device. In all, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2 is an excellent blend of portability, affordability, and features. If you want to get the best bang for your buck, the Wonderboom 2 is worth checking out. Moving on, at number 3, we have a great sounding, rugged Bluetooth speaker, the JBL Flip 5. JBL is a company with a proven record for making some of the best quality speakers, and the Flip 5 is no exception. The Flip 5 is the successor to the Flip 4, which also delivered great audio and a rugged design. Just like other JBL speakers, the Flip 5 is available in a plethora of colors, including midnight black, steel white, ocean blue, and desert sand, to name a few. The speaker is super portable, weighing just 1 pound, and is the size of a small flask. It can be carried easily, and it also features a strap which allows you to hang it anywhere. The Flip 5 boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about the weather or taking the speaker to the pool. The Flip 5 is well built and very durable. On the feature side, the Flip 5 offers JBL's Party Boost function, which allows you to pair your speaker with other Flip 5 or Pulse 4 speakers for stereo pairing or simultaneous playback using the JBL Connect app. You also get a USB-C port for charging, which is a nice touch for 2020. The JBL Flip 5, however, does not feature an aux socket or a built-in microphone for phone calls, even though these were available on the Flip 4. Nonetheless, there are a couple of improvements over its predecessor. The speed of charging, for example, has been improved. It takes 2.5 hours to charge the Flip 5 compared to 3.5 hours for the Flip 4. Sound quality is also better on the newer device thanks to the greater 20-watt power output and the new 44mm driver. The Flip 5 delivers excellent sound even at mid to low volume levels. Vocals are sharp and precise while the instruments are rich and detailed. There's very little distortion at high volumes, and it gets pretty loud too. There's a lot to like about the JBL Flip 5. It's one of the best rugged speakers out there, and it will certainly offer a lot of value for your money. In second place, we have a Bluetooth speaker that isn't too ideal for the road but is a champ at home, and that's the Sonos Move. The Sonos Move is the first Bluetooth speaker from Sonos, a company renowned for its wireless home audio devices, thus it's the first truly portable Sonos speakers. It's more than your average Bluetooth speaker, however, as it supports Sonos' classic Wi-Fi system and doubles as a smart speaker with support for Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. While the Sonos Move is technically portable, the device isn't something you're going to want to take with you wherever you go. The Move weighs over 6.6 pounds and is over 10 inches tall. On the plus side, it has a handle which you can use to easily move it around your home. However, it's clearly not an ideal device to travel with. The Sonos Move makes up for its portability issues with its truly excellent sound. It gets very loud and is able to fill large rooms without struggling. The Move features a downward firing tweeter, which provides an omnidirectional soundstage. Thus, you get the same sound regardless of where you're positioned relative to the speaker. The speaker delivers clear highs, warm mids, and a punch bass. The Sonos Move delivers great audio at both low and high volume levels and across a wide variety of genres. It also delivers a consistent sound experience regardless of where it's placed thanks to Sonos' automatic TruePlay tuning feature. This feature uses the onboard mics to fine-tune the sound based on its environment. At 10 hours per charge, battery life on the Sonos Move isn't as great as some of the other options on this list. The Move takes about 3 hours to charge completely, and the charging experience is rather nice. You simply place the Move on the oval dock that comes with the speaker and you're done. No need to fumble with wires and ports. You can also top up the speaker through a USB-C port. The battery in the Move is also replaceable, which is a nice bonus. The Sonos Move isn't your typical Bluetooth speaker, and that's evident in yet another area: pricing. The Move isn't cheap, but it also offers a unique set of features that competing devices don't. So, if you're looking for a superb Bluetooth speaker experience for your home, the Move might just be the right for you. At number 1, we have another wonderful speaker from Ultimate Ears, the Megaboom 3. This is one of the best all-round Bluetooth speakers you can buy in 2020. Let's find out why. The Megaboom 3 offers a superb compromise of portability and audio quality. It's a mid-sized Bluetooth speaker that sounds incredible. One of the first things you'll notice about the Megaboom 3 is how loud it gets. Even at such really loud volumes, the Megaboom 3 consistently delivers excellent sound quality with a nice boosted bass. Another area where the Megaboom 3 excels is in battery life. You can get up to 20 hours on a single charge at moderate volume levels. The only downside here is the lack of a USB-C port for charging. You can, however, purchase the optional power-up wireless charging dock if you don't want to deal with cables. The Megaboom 3 is also 1P67 rated waterproof. It's very well designed and aesthetically pleasing. It also supports the Party Up feature for syncing multiple speakers together. The Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3 is the perfect blend of features, portability, and excellent sound. What's more, it comes in at a very reasonable price for what you get. The Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3 is a great choice if you're looking for the best all-round Bluetooth speaker in 2020. Hopefully you've enjoyed taking a look at our top picks for the best Bluetooth speakers you can buy in 2020. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.